Well, my faithful friend, it's time to say goodbye. Yes, I love you too. I've decided it's time to let the T20 go. Now, the video has a few purposes to it, and the main one is why it's difficult to let this go. If you've been paying attention, I tried to keep things simple. And yeah, it gets difficult with all the cool stuff that comes out from companies like Fujifilm. We'll get back to that. Whenever I sell something, these days, I've got into the habit of recording everything, the condition of the camera, the packing, and then, you know, I do that pretty much as I'm about to ship it off or hand it over so that there's no comebacks. So I'm always really wary selling anything. So I always make just a little video showing the condition of it right before selling it. It's pretty simple. The first thing is that trade-in offer for the T3 was just too good to let go. So this little beauty is getting traded in for me to justify the T3. Now we're going to go into the 3 in another video or two. But there's still some things about this that really make me unsure about getting rid of it. And as I've got to record the condition of this thing, let's go close up and kill two birds with one stone, or something like that. Considering she's been around the world with me a couple times, this is in absolutely brilliant condition. And I'm not just saying that because that's the price I'm expecting to get for it, you know, pretty much mint. But look at this, the screen, basically flawless. And we'll move it around a little bit so you can see. I know the light's a bit awkward. Top down, this thing with this T20, the dials are nice, but look at the size of this thing, absolutely beautiful. I mean, APS-C sensor. I think this really is Fujifilm's best smaller interchangeable body. Yeah, there's the XA5 and stuff like that, but they don't perform the same. Sensor's different. X-T20 arguably with the Bayer sensor, but I feel this is a tougher number. Yeah, T100 gives it a good run for its money as a travel camera, especially with that flip out screen. But this thing, absolutely beautiful. Love the dials, love how it operates, and yeah, it's a shame that I'm getting rid of it really, but you know, trying to keep things simple. Yeah, this mic port was annoying, but didn't really use it particularly for vlog stuff. Face detection's not too bad, actually. I mean, we're going to see how the T3 gets on with that, because it's definitely a marked improvement, but it wasn't too bad when using this with the 10-24. Did enjoy that. USB charging, definitely love that. One card slot for a travel camera, absolutely no problem at all. Now it looks like I'm going to have to give up my W126S battery, or one of, because for some reason I can't put my hand on the previous version of that, and I should imagine they don't want X Pro or Patona batteries. Wex in Birmingham have been absolutely superb with me, so you know, so far so good, but this video might end somewhat differently if they go back on the deal. We'll see. They're not expecting the XF18-55, which is a good job because I don't want to sell that at all. Original box. Forgot how big this box was, to be honest. It's got dusting out the top of the shelf, but there we go. Always keep your boxes if you're intending to sell stuff on. This might be one that I regret, but you know what? Onwards and upwards. Plus, I'm trying to plan a trip to the Amazon jungle, and I just need things to be just right to do that. Anyway, this bit, I guess, is a bit like a boxing as opposed to an unboxing. There's me warranty booklet, the manual, a couple of other bits and pieces in here from when I bought it. Absolutely beautiful camera. Do enjoy this. Why am I getting rid of it? What a stupid person. No, right. I assume they'll factory reset it, etc. once they're happy. Let's give it a bit more protection just for the sake of it. I mean, we're not even going to be sending this through the post. I'm going to be driving down there tomorrow. Let's check this. Euro and UK. Got the UK one in there. There's the charger. Let's stick that in there, I think. There we go. And there we have it. One Minty X-T20 in black without the lens, because I want the lens. Am I a fool for trading upwards? Although frankly, the T3 is going to go with my T2 for my professional work. And if I want to go super casual, we've got, of course, this pocketable little beauty, the Canon G7X Mark II. What do you reckon? Let us know in the comments below if you think this was a worthy trade, or if maybe you think I should have just kept it and, you know, just stuck to using it as my travel camera and my day-to-day camera, and then just save my T2, my T3 for solely professional work. I mean, I'm not killing the cameras anyway. A lot of pros, they really do bash their gear around. I get the job done, but I still look after my cameras, because I feel if they're the things earning me a living, why shouldn't I look after them? But, you know, there's different techniques, different styles. Every photographer's got their little way. I just try and look after my gear, because you never know. It's like any good worker will look after his tools. That's just my thing. And, you know, if I get really stuck and I just want something to throw in the pocket, I've got this. Now, all being well, this is where the video finishes and I go off to look at your comments below. If for some reason our friends renege on my T20, then this beautiful little thing will be coming back home, back into the fold, and I'll have to say some nice kind words to make up for threatening to let it go to the camera, not to you guys, of course.